Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Ripple and Hedera, the chosen ones. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, the biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $149 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Ripple and Hedera. Anyways, speaking of two, let's see what's happening with both of them in real time. Any new information or interesting post that we can get wrap our heads around. Let's start with XRP and the community of XRP, and then we will go on and check out what's happening with Hedera. Look at this. XRP is up 0.93% in the last 24 hours, 2.1831. Let's see what's new. Okay. Massive Ripple ad in NYC. XRP is going mainstream. It has gone mainstream since a while now. This is why SEC has been behind its back for such a long time. I think a lot of people who know about finance, who know about this industry, know about Ripple for sure and what's happening. Even those people that are not interested in XRP or Ripple in the crypto community, they want Ripple to succeed and XRP to succeed so that this industry can flourish forward. That's for sure. Look at this, some technicals over here, 9 hours ago. Charting guys says that some impatient XRP holders are complaining when the chart literally looks like this. The next leg up will change lives. This has been awesome. I mean, people shouldn't be complaining, at least not for now. Obviously, I know this industry well enough to know that even a small dip, people get mad that why the run has stopped or why the rally has stopped. Why is the price correcting, to say the least? But the XRP community, I think, in comparison to a lot of different projects, at least they shouldn't be complaining because look at this. Ever since XRP almost was 50 cents, 48 cents, it did a massive rally, and within a span of few days, it crossed the $2 level, guys. I mean, this is awesome. I wouldn't be surprised if it even falls and breaks down support because that's natural. But these gains are what this industry or finance is for. Even real estate, if you look at it, people call it one of the safest assets to hold. But if you look at the price point of price of real estate, any real estate or any property in a chart, you will see that it has corrected over the course of years, and this is what happens with these assets as well. Anyways, there was a really interesting post. What is this? If you own 10,000 XRP, you will be rich. Okay, let's see what this video is all about. First, I wanted to share one thing with you, and then we will come and check this video out. Just a moment. If you hold XRP, we've got news for you, a new unconstitutional violation of the Administrative Procedure Act. The IRS is getting sued. There is zero electoral upside to being anti crypto. The future of crypto is here in the United States. United States is a place that has been a bit uncertain in terms of regulations and frameworks. 2025 is set for XRP according to Mr. Oscar Ramos. So look at this. Bitstamp is building a derivatives exchange on XRP Ledger and being acquired by Robinhood in 2025, by the way. Okay, so this video seems interesting. We're going to be looking at this in a moment. First, let's see what's happening with Hedera as well, because then we will go on and watch this video. So let's see what's happening with Hedera. Anything new in their official handle? Okay, this is 14 hours ago. Hbar Foundation on the sixth day of Hashmass. 2024 gave us Hedera contributing its entire code base. Okay, cool. Hero built on Hedera. Hedera Community Survey, we appreciate your input. Hedera is committed to continuously strengthening and enhancing the community experience for the Hedera ecosystem, and your feedback will help guide the way forward. What I really like about Hedera is their focus on community. I've seen time and again that they update the community. They are interested in what the investors are saying, and they really encourage feedback and a lot of that stuff. So I really like it, to be honest. Okay, December 27th, leveraging the security and efficiency of Hedera for real world asset tokenization. Hedera Council member is ABRDN PLC is democratizing access to investment opportunities for small and individual investors, fostering greater financial inclusion, enabling immediate settlement, and enhancing, where is it? Okay, immediate settlement and enhancing market liquidity. Awesome. Tokenization of real world assets, I've told you time and again that we're about to disrupt trillions of dollars, and I think 19 trillion by 2030 is a rough approximate figure that various proponents are giving, and Hedera is at the top of it. It's trying to play a huge role in the tokenization of real world assets. So look at this. The ABRDN is using distributed ledger technology to democratize investment opportunities and increase financial inclusion, and it is built on Hedera. Hedera governance council is also huge, as you know. The council members are increasing time and again and legitimizing Hedera even further. What else do we have? The gateway into Hedera, exploring Hashback. With 95% of monthly active users, project expedition, pack milestones, and more, Hashback app is the backbone of the Hbar network, powering innovation and accelerating adoption as we charge into 2025. You have to read this article yourselves. This was a really interesting one. Look at this: Hashback wallet revolutionizing Hedera's ecosystem in 2024 and beyond. In this article, you learn why Hashback is important for Hedera, its exceptional growth in 2024. What else do we have? The launch and success of Pack Token. There was a really interesting piece over here. A testament to growth, PAX TVL milestones, yeah, utilities and real world impacts. PAX serves as more than just a token, it is a cornerstone of the Hashback ecosystem, as Hashback seems to be a really integral part of Hedera. It enables in wallet purchases, staking rewards, and participation in governance. Awesome. Strengthening the Hedera ecosystem. So look at this. The PAC tokens launch and rapid growth have had a profound impact on the broader Hedera network. By introducing a token with tangible utilities and strong community ties, Hashpack has contributed to Hedera's expanding user base. The wallet's role as the primary interface for DeFi and NFT activities has further amplified PAC's significance. Awesome. Okay. What else do we have? A season's greetings and happy holidays from Hedera as 2024 draws to a close. Hedera celebrates every builder, developer, and community member shaping the future of Web3 with us. Together, we're creating a more transparent, efficient digital world. Like I told you folks, the future is the tokenization of value, and tokenization begins with Hedera. In our latest ebook, explore the benefits of tokenization and why key players in traditional finance, real estate, payments, and more are experimenting with and implementing this powerful uh, game changer, powerful functionality, okay, on Hedera. Let me bookmark this. We might cover this in a future Hedera broadcast as well. That Hbar tokenization is important. Anyways, let's go and watch this video as well from Levi over here. It seems interesting. This has caught my attention. If you own 10,000 XRP, you will be rich. Why is that? Let's see.
Today, I'm making a video that I'm extremely excited to show all of you guys because it's very unique from a lot of the other content that I've made on my channel before, and we're going to be going over a number of different data points that I've actually never covered to really understand just how much XRP you need to hold in order to become wealthy in the midterm. Not necessarily in the next couple of days here, but when we're looking at the next couple of years, something that's very attainable.
I really agree that it's not a matter of days, it is a matter of years. I really agree with this statement.
And something that can secure you guys some absolutely insane amount of wealth for yourself and your family and truly hit that top income bracket and secure that for yourself today instead of course, just watching other people hit that. And there's a figure that I found and it's about $10,000 XRP rather. And so we're going to be talking about that in today's video. Please make sure that you absolutely obliterate that like button so everyone in the XRP army can see today's video, and let's start with some of the data. So my journey for understanding, how much XRP people really need to hold, started by looking at stats of the American economy, because this is the richest economy in the world. And so I wanted to understand where the majority of Americans are, because that will tell you guys how much XRP you need in order to get rich. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you right now, just stick around and I'll explain all of the data very soon. But the very first thing that we need to look at is how many Americans live paycheck to paycheck. And as it stands right now, about 50% or nearly half of Americans say they live paycheck to paycheck. So if you're somebody who has a little bit of savings, you're already well ahead of most other Americans. And so this really begs the question, if you want to be rich, if you want to be at the top echelon of society, how much XRP would you need to hold? And so I'm going to relay some information from the XRP ledger, and then we're going to go and look at what percent of Americans are rich and how much wealth they have, so that we can build a kind of formula of success for all of you beautiful people. Now, when we look at the stats of the XRP ledger, the first thing that you're going to notice is the vast majority of holders or accounts have anywhere from 0 to 500 XRP. You can see there's roughly 4.6, almost $4.7 million accounts that have between 0 to 500 XRP. And then there's a massive fall off at the 500 to 1000 level. And then you can see the 1000 to 5000 level does increase a little bit, but then I think it gets really interesting around here to the 10,000 to 25,000 level, because there is a decent amount of people in this range, but you can notice a sizable fall off in the number of accounts anywhere up from there, with one exception at 100,000 to 500,000 XRP right here, where there's 28,000 accounts approximately. But here's something really important. When you add up all of the individual XRP holders from all of the different accounts here, and also you look at all of the individual exchange holders, there's somewhere around 6 to 7 million individuals holding XRP. And like I was mentioning before, the vast majority of those are between 500 to 0 XRP. And this really coincides and correlates here with the amount of Americans that say they live paycheck to paycheck. Because if people are living paycheck to paycheck, they're going to have either a very small amount of money in their account just to pay bills, or they're going to have no money at all because they just paid all of their bills. And you can see this very much looks just like this. There's most of the XRP holders are probably buying it and then they're having to sell it to pay their bills or something along those lines. They're hoping that they'll make some quick money, which is understandable. And so here's the first deal. If you guys really want to get rich, the number one way that you can start setting yourself apart is managing your money a little bit better. That is the first step to becoming wealthy. And so, yeah, if you guys can't do that, if you are continuing to spend all of your money until there is $0 in all of your accounts, I hate to tell you this, you're never going to become wealthy. So that's the first step for a lot of you people out there. I mean, according to this, nearly half of Americans. And if you're not there, well, keep watching, because I'm going to show you guys some other really interesting stats to show you how you can really become extremely wealthy. Now, with that in mind, real quick before we do get into that, I want to mention that BTCC is giving you guys a 10% bonus on.
Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about XRP and Hedera? Do you think owning 10,000 XRP will indeed make you rich in the future? Is it a good investment? I would really like your opinions. And what do you guys think about Ripple and Hedera in general? Do you think that they indeed are the chosen ones? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.